welcome to you all. I'm very honoured and proud and happy to be here, and I'll detain you no longer but wish you bon appetit. What's the Welsh for that? Thank you so much.
What we're going to serve you tonight is a 15th century meal, a meal in the style of the 15th century, which is actually cooked here, just about 20 feet away, and is going to be served in the medieval manner. Remember that you won't be using forks. You're going to be eating with a knife, a spoon, bread, and your fingers. Your fingers.
And for the secondary move, there is a grand salad, a marrow pie, the Vaughan snake pudding, cinchconis with yibrus, chickens in hoche, bruet of saucignez, bourbelier de sanglier, pies of pears, a capons stewed, herchones, and diverse fishes.